Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Living a Little. So, today in this video, we are going to talk about university versus colleges. So, the part one of the video was released last week, wherein I talk about what universities are, what colleges are. So, if you haven't checked out the part one, the link is in the description below. And guys, I'm not sure. I'm trying to create some good informational content, and I could see the videos which I have uploaded in India are able to get the desired reach. I'm not sure whether it's the YouTube guideline or if there are some changes when you change country. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know like I have traveled to India last month and I would be here for another 1 month. So it's a 2 month trip. And there is a wedding in our home. So my cousin is getting married. This is one of the first wedding after almost 10 years. So I have been busy with a lot of things around and I could not create videos because all the things around is so overwhelming and I'm trying to create content for you guys. So guys, go like, comment, show some love and I would be highly motivated to make more videos during this festive time within the house. So let me know in the comment section what you guys wants to see next. Without wasting any further time, let's get started with this video. And if you're a new subscriber to my channel, I'm Adya Chaudhary. I create information videos and live videos about Ireland and life abroad. So I have been living in Ireland from past 4 years and I share my experiences as student, as a working professional in Ireland for the people who want to move abroad or specifically in Ireland. So for an average student, the topmost priority should not be whether they should go for university or college. Based on their eligibility, they would have some limitation and they would not have opportunity to go to universities. So the topmost priority for them should be choose the suitable course that interests them. You land a job and your career, how much difference it's going to make for you if you choose a college over university. We are going to talk about this in this video and make sure you watch the video until the end because I'm going to share about the job opportunities, what happens if you choose a college. I'm going to answer this question about colleges with pure honesty. I'm someone who has studied from DBS, which is Dublin Business School, and it is one of the least preferred colleges for Indians. I've seen a lot of people sending me queries about whether you should go to NCI, DBS, as people have seen a lot of negative comments over Quora. And I would answer all your questions or your doubts about these colleges. And make sure you watch the video until the end because I'll give my suggestion about whether how it's going to affect your job if you choose college. Firstly, the crowd and the quality of the people around you. So if you choose universities, you will be surrounded with the people who have professional or past experience within the field, or at least they have some basic understanding of what they would be studying. But if you make a move to college, you will be surrounded with people with lot of backgrounds. Like there will be non-technical people if you choose tech, and there will be lot of people who will be switching careers. So the drawback here is when you work on individual or group projects, you will have to take ownership for everything. If you think people do not have knowledge and they don't want to, take extra step for their projects. But if you would go to university, people will be highly knowledgeable about their course or the course module which you've been studying, and they would be able to give more inputs to the course module or the projects you would be working in. A lot of people have this in their mind, if they move abroad, they will be around international students and they would have some great exposure, life exposure. But guys, let me tell you, if you choose any technical course, whether it's university or college, I know 98% within the college will be Indian student. But in universities, you would have a bit of diversity. But in college, do not expect that there will be more international people. You would still be surrounded with Indians around you. And it's not a drawback. So just wanted to share this. There is nothing negative about it. But just wanted to let you know, guys, like who will be the people around you when you study. Secondly, talking about the quality of education. So the course module or the course curriculum, if you compare from university and college, would definitely be different. So on few courses, there can be a slight difference. And the professor around you in universities would be highly professional. They have worked across various research projects and they would have a lot of background within the field or the course they have been teaching. Wherein if you choose colleges like NCI or DPS, there will be a lot of professors who will be working part-time and they are working on their PhD project. So they'll be in their hurry to complete their course module or their class's timing, and they would not be able to go up to the mark as the university professor does. But again, like I have seen when I spent my college life at DBS, this was true. Like lot of professors were professional enough, and if you approach them with the right way, and if you ask for guidance about particular course module, about any career guidance and any job profiles, will be able to go extra steps to help you out. So if you know how to approach them, if you have the right way to work across your course module, I think choosing a college would not make huge difference. Be more of like a self-educating system if you go choose a college. And if you're someone who wants to move abroad and do not know whether you are eligible for universities or colleges, or which should be the right one for you and which courses you should be choosing that interest you or not, you can reach out to my counselor and he can be able to help you and guide you free of cost. And I can assure and you can totally trust them, because I have received one of the most genuine advice based on my eligibility. And he has also given me an option, like if you do not want to go for DBS, you still have options for these universities which you are eligible for. You would receive offer letter for those. But I was in a hurry and I wanted to pursue my masters and do not waste my time for another year. And that's the reason I chose it. So if you need any help with the counseling and if you need any guidance, I would really recommend my counselor. The counseling link is in the description below. Go fill out that form and reach out to my counselor for some help. Now, talking about the job situation, if you graduate from college or university, firstly, the comments or the negative impact which you have seen over Quora from the people who are not from the background and they choose college based on the course job market. For example, people are moving towards data analytics, data science, business analytics, but they are from different background like mechanical, civil, and they chose this course understanding that particular course has huge job demand. And the negative comments which you see across are from the people who are graduated from college, because college take each and everyone as minimum IELTS eligibility and who has minimum score during their bachelor study. So the students are not able to cope up with the fast-paced master degree course, which is just 1 year. And 1 year master degree will definitely be advanced course. You will not study basics. You will not study a foundational thing in master degree. So if you choose a master degree and if you plan to make a career switch, make sure you have basic understanding. And if you choose, even if you are switching a career, I'm not recommending you not to do a career switch. You can do it, but you need to make a proper plan on how to do these changes in your life. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, schedule a call with me and I can help you guide with your career path and what differences you should make while choosing a college or university, and what is the basic foundational background you should have when you choose any course in Ireland. These are the people who have posted negative comments when you choose college. They are not able to bear with their dissertation or thesis which comes in semester third, and they struggle a lot while completing their thesis. And that's not how you complete your master degree. You really need to spend a lot of time for your master degree if you do not have any basic foundational understanding. The most awaited question, would you be able to land a job if you choose college? So guys, I'll tell you my personal experience. Whether you choose university or college, the jobs in Ireland are purely based on your skill set. Resume has the right tools, specs, and the experience the companies are looking for. Definitely you can land a job and you will be able to receive interview calls from the company. Companies wouldn't call you if you graduate from DBS or NCI. What matters is your resume. What matters is what skills you have in your resume. And to enhance those skills, keep checking jobs on LinkedIn or weekly or monthly basis. Shortlist different job profiles which you will be studying or you want to move your career switch into. Make those categories and add those tools, skills, what those jobs are looking for. Improve your CV accordingly, and you have career guidance, resume improvement teams in your colleges. Go approach them on be weekly and bi-weekly basis. Improve your resume, apply to those companies, and you will be able to land a job within those 2 years of work permit visa that you have. So the topmost thing when applying for a job is your resume. Most of the companies, they use automated tool filter on the people for the jobs they have applied to. So if your resume does not have the right keywords when they apply to the jobs, you will not be able to receive interview calls. So approach to the right job. Do not blindly apply to the n number of jobs and feel like you can try any jobs and you will be able to land any one of them. Secondly,